73 aphorism. Okay, in 73, Hahnemann discussed about the acute disease classification. Okay, so as regard acute diseases, they are either of such a kind as attack human beings individually. Because Hahnemann here, Hahnemann has given three classification for the acute disease. One is the individual acute disease, second one is the sporadic acute disease, and third is the epidemic acute disease. Okay, so first Hahnemann discussed about the individual acute disease. So here they are either of such a kind as attack human beings individually, the exciting cause being injurious influences to which they were particularly exposed. Because we already know about the fifth aphorism. How the acute diseases are produced, it is only due to the exciting cause. So Hahnemann has given the exciting cause here, being injurious influences to which they were particularly exposed. Because when he exposed to the particular thing, then only that condition is arised. That is a acute individual acute disease. So what are the conditions? Or what are the causes? What are the exciting causes which is responsible for the acute disease? Or excess in food or insufficient supply of it. Okay, if the person is taking food much amount, it is also produce a problem. Or if the person is not at all taking food for a short time, there is an insufficient supply of it. Okay, these are exciting causes. Don't confuse the indisposition. It is a separate topic. The excess in food or insufficient supply of food is the example for the acute disease. Severe physical impressions. Yes. Particularly just when you do some of the physical impressions. Okay, for exercise or when you reach the higher things like there are stocks. It is also a acute disease condition. Then chills. When you feel the chilliness. Overheatings. Yeah, in the summer season it is a common one because we already know about the overheating. Maybe bryonia or glonine may become because it is overheating. Dissipation. This dissipation means just something which distract our mind. Dissipation, strains, etc. Or physical irritations. These are also one of the important cause for the acute disease. Physical irritations. Mental emotions, because sudden, when you heard about sudden news, it is also comes under the acute conditions, and the like are exciting causes of such acute febrile affection. Okay, here febrile means it is not the fever, it is just indicates that acute condition. Okay, so these are the causes. What are the causes? Once again, I repeat the tone. Excess in food or an insufficient supply of it, severe physical impressions, chills, overheatings, dissipation, strain, etc. or any physical irritations, mental emotions and the like are exciting causes of such acute febrile affections. In reality, in nature, however, they are generally only a transient explosion of latent sora. What is the reason for the acute individual disease? It is only due to the transient means temporary, explosion means burst. It is only a transient explosion of latent sora which spontaneously returns to the dormant state if the acute disease were not of too violent a character. Because it is only transient explosion. It is only transient temporary condition is there. Okay. So, mostly it is come to the normal condition spontaneously, which spontaneously returns to normal dormant state if the acute disease were not of too violent a character and were soon quelled. Quelled means it is overcome. So, Hahnemann beautifully explained that one because You already know about the excess in food. You just feel some discomfort in your stomach when you are not taking the food excess, or there is excess in food. Okay, and also same thing, insufficient. When you are not taking the food, you also feels the giddiness like that one. And also when you reach the physical strains, when you take the rest, it automatically gone. Hahnemann mentioned that because if it is not severely affected, then only it becomes the normal. When it is severely affected, the medicine is needed. Because you already know about that Naxomica. Okay? If the person is taking the food, it is only cause the tightness in the stomach 2 to 3 hours after eating. What happened in the colibec? It is immediately after eating. But here, 2 to 3 hours after eating, you just feel the tightness. So what happened to the patient? No, just you already know about that one. That is, you just must loosen or the loosen that what is called that pant or anything else. Okay, because it is tightened. So loosen the tone. So automatically is the amelioration. So sometime even though you are not taking the medicine, that condition is also become normal. No. So Hahnemann mentioned that if it is not a too violent character, the disease condition is gone. So this is the first one, is the individual acute disease. Here that person is affected individually. Second variety, sporadic, or they are of such a kind as attack several persons at the same time, here and there. That is sporadically. Okay, group of people is also attacked. Several persons are affected, but not in the same place, here and there, but the same time. Because you just know, because due to the climatic condition, these conditions are occurred. One person getting that cough and cold, particularly in the winter season, when you are at Delhi, you have the cough and cold. When the same chilliness is present in Jaipur, you also feel that same complaint. When you are in the Bihar, and also in another place, in the summer season, you have the similar attack. Okay, so here and there, but the same character. What is the causes? Meteoric and telluric causes. What does it mean? Meteoric means weather conditions. Climatic changes. I already told you, no? Because 6 or 7 conditions are there. Spring season is there, summer season is there, autumn season is there, so many seasons are there. So each time when the seasons are changed from one to another one, definitely we get that affection. That is called a sporadic. And also telluric means that is a moon changes. It is very near to air or sea. There is a relation between the sea and earth. That is called as telluric conditions. Okay? Then the susceptibility for being morbidly affected by which is possessed by only a few persons at one time. Here, the susceptibility is affected only a group of people at that particular time only. Okay, in an individual disease, susceptibility play a great role. When the person gets susceptibility, then only that person gets affected. But here it is not like that one. Only the susceptibility, the group of people are affected. The same committee. Okay, so that is called as sporadic, meteoric or telluric causes. Clear? Yes, third variety. Allied to this, allied means different to this, or those diseases in which many persons are attacked with very similar sufferings. Okay, here the many persons are attacked with very similar sufferings from the same cause. So here symptoms are similar. Okay, cause is same. How many persons are affected? Many persons. So many persons, very similar sufferings from the same cause. That is called as epidemic disease. These diseases generally become infectious, within bracket contagious. Yes, it is the nature of the epidemic disease. It is easily contagious from one person to another person. Because what happened now? We are just affected by the COVID-19. You already know about that on coronavirus. It is an epidemic. They are told epidemic. They are also told there is a pandemic because the whole world is affected. Okay? It is a superb example for the epidemic disease. No. Many persons are affected. How? It is a contagious. What is the meaning of the contagious? You already know about that one. It is rapidly spread from one person to another person easily. Okay? When these diseases generally become infectious, contagious, which they prevail among thickly congregated masses of human beings. Okay, where it mostly affected? When the particular group of people are very nearby one by one. So only when the COVID-19 affected means all the countries just declare that lockdown. What is the process or principle of the lockdown? Social distancing. Because of the social distancing only the link is breaked. Okay, so this is the epidemic disease. Hahnemann mentioned that when they prevail among thickly congregated mass of human beings. Thence arise fevers in each instant of a peculiar nature. Okay, so each time the disease condition when it comes, it is a peculiar nature, and because the cases of disease have an identical origin. Okay, here the cases are also identical, means same origin. They set up in all those, they affect in identical morbid process. So identical cause is there, identical origin is there. Then here, so the symptom is also an identical, that is the same, which when left to itself terminates in a moderate period of time in death or recovery. When you leave it as it is, what happened? It is either in death or recovery. Even without medicine, this condition may be cured. Because you already know about that in COVID-19, only the arsenicum, album and capsaicin play a great role. Okay, in allopathy, there is no role. They prevent the secondary infection, that's all. They only do the measures, what is called as, artificial measures are there. Clear? So this is the role of homeopathy. Because in following footnote, Hahnemann also mentioned that one. The next, the calamities of, what is the causes of the epidemic disease? The calamities of war. What is a calamities means? It is a great loss and misfortune. That is an unexpected one. Okay, so calamities of war. What happened? The great loss is there. So automatically so many persons are died in one place. So automatically the infection spreaded. Then inundations. What is the inundations? Overwhelming number. That is a flood. Inundation means flood, like that one. Overwhelming number. That is increased flood, like that one. Okay? Then, and famine. It is just opposite to the inundations. It is acute insufficiency, particularly food. What happened? It leads to death of the person. Because you already know the Somalia and other places. These are the epidemic disease because like that one. Okay? Are not infrequently their exciting causes and producers. Yes, these are the causes. What are the causes? The famine, inundation, calamities of war. Okay, this is a common one. Sometimes they are peculiar acute miasms. Sometimes this epidemic disease is caused by the peculiar acute miasms. Okay, here the acute miasm is responsible for the epidemic disease, which recur in the same manner, hence known by some traditional, which either attack persons but once in a lifetime. Okay, so here, just this epidemic disease also affected the person. What is the cause means? Acute miasm is also one of the cause for the epidemic disease. So here this acute miasm is divided into two. One is a recurring acute miasm, another one is a non-recurring or fixed acute miasm. Non-recurring means it is only affect the person once in a lifetime. So here first, acute miasms which recur in the same manner, which either attack persons but once in a lifetime. So what are the examples? As the smallpox, measles, whooping cough, the ancient, smooth, bright red scarlet fever of Sydenham, the mumps. These are the examples for the fixed acute miasms. Okay, because smallpox, measles, whooping cough, mostly what Hahnemann at that Hahnemann period, when the disease condition affect the one person at a time, it won't recur. It is a common one at the time. So it comes under the classification of non-recurring acute miasm or fixed miasm. Okay, or such as recur frequently in pretty much the same manner. Okay, so very nearly, pretty much means very near, same manner is recur again and again. The plague of the Levant, the yellow fever of the sea coast, the Asiatic cholera, etc. So these are some of the disease condition which is recur again and again. There is a plague, you already know about the plague, and the yellow fever is there of the sea coast area, and the Asiatic cholera. Okay, so here also the disease condition is recur again and again. So 73 aphorisms, a very important aphorism practically as well as for the examination purpose. Okay, clear? So here three classifications are there. One is the individual acute disease, second one is sporadic acute disease, third one epidemic acute disease. In individual acute disease, that person attacks individually. So here exotic cause is responsible for that one. Clear? It is due to the transient explosion of latent sora. If it is not severely affected, that person becomes normal. That is called as individual acute disease. What is sporadic acute disease? That persons are affected here and there. Group of people are affected from the same symptoms. Okay? If the susceptibility of the particular group is affected, it is due to the meteoric and telluric changes. That is the climatic changes and immune changes. Third one is epidemic disease. So epidemic disease is a disease in which the mass of people are affected. There is a group of people are affected in the same place, in the same cause with the similar symptoms. Clear? So what is the cause? Inundations, famine, like that one, and also some of the acute miasms. That is a recurring acute miasm, and non-recurring acute miasm is responsible for the epidemic disease. Because a very, very important aphorism ideas, please just you learn it. Okay? Clear?
Shut